All right, so we wanted to do this unboxing video for Father's Day. There was a competition, well, not a competition, but like, sign up to win type situation for Newland Communities. And they partnered with um, ToadFish, a company that provides like Lowcountry apparel and items that, like crab crackers and everything that you need to live like a low country lifestyle. Water bottles, um, untipping can, um, can holders, keep your beverages cold, stuff like that. Everything that you'd possibly need for that. So I signed up for one of those contests and I won. It was like a major award. I definitely felt like Ralphie's dad. And today, we just got the package in the other day, so I wanted to do a quick unboxing video for it. Came with the awesome ToadFish package. I like that touch, and we'll get to opening it so you can see what's inside and what I ordered with my gift card that I won. So thank you again to Newland Communities and ToadFish for that. But let's see what I got. So I always like to use a serrated knife for cutting open packages. I think it just works really well. Cut away from us, safety wise. And there's no one on the other side, so don't worry. All right. Okay, cut through the packaging there. Open it up. And of course the fluff, like I'm winning the major award. It could be a bowling alley. Could be anything. It's not a lamp though, okay? So don't get too excited. All right, so first item out is the sweat wicking jetty and toadfish coastal co-op shirt, and I love this color, so that's why I picked it. They had a couple colors, and I love this design that they have. It's like the crab, yeah, there we go, crab and the oyster. Um, you got shrimp and oysters and um, your oyster opener, which I'm not thinking of the name, but I do know it. Oyster shucker. There you go. All right. And because I liked that design so much, I also got a T-shirt. It was a nice, soft cotton in that same design, separate color, same design. Nice T-shirt in that. That one is cotton, but very soft, nice cotton. And got a couple other items. So, all right, we'll save that one for last. That one's probably the most interesting one of the picks. But major award. All right. Don't worry, those will be properly disposed of, recycled and such as needed. And all right, so put that in position. So this is the ToadFish um, steel canister. Keeps your has a nice long straw, so it has the straw in it too, so it's not just like a typical keep your drink cold canister, but it's got the straw in it also. I don't know if you can hear that nice sound to it. Like the long straw, because it looks like it goes all the way down to the bottom, so you're not missing that last little bit and having to fill it up. This is supposed to be keep drinks cold, I think, for like 24 hours, if I read it right, at least 12. But it's got all the cool fish design on it, nice size in terms of holding it in the grip. So I really appreciate that. And it's got a loop so you can hold on to it, or if you need to hang it off of something, you have that option as well. So this looks like a nice, strong connection on the sipping part. Sometimes those can be a little weak, but this is pretty strong. So there. So there's that. And for the final item, we had. You hear the rest of the box. We're going to throw the box over. Again, this will all be properly disposed of. And so this is the teal version of the non-tipping can cooler from ToadFish. So somehow that got in my Instagram feed, so I saw like 1,000 videos on it. But the idea is that it has like a suction cup, so you'd sit it down, and yeah, it's working pretty well. Like just on a regular desk, it's not like a suction-y type surface. You know, it's sticking there. They did some demonstrations on paddle boards and like putting it on the top of your car and driving around with it. So I'll have to check it out. But yeah, just from what I'm seeing so far, putting it on my desk, you can't really see that, but putting it on my desk, it's working pretty well. And it also comes, this is for like a 12-ounce can, but it also, they have a version for like a slim can, but it comes with a slim can adapter here so that you don't, let's see. Well, I'll figure out how to put it on later, but it came with that automatically, so you didn't have to get both versions to accommodate that. So I thought that was nice. So there you go. Yep, there we go. ToadFish logo. Nice teal color there. So I feel all set. As you can see, I like that, you know, general color. And you know, so feel like we're all set here for a trip out on the boat. You know, not my boat. I don't have a boat, but a boat. If someone wants to take me on a boat, and just for, you know, some warm days, whether in the Lowcountry or somewhere else that got some high humidity, and just for hanging around the house here with my shirts. And I'll always be plenty hydrated for whatever life adventures come at me, because that's what we're all about. But Dads of Adventure is life adventures. So I thought these are some cool items to add to my ability to have adventures with my family. So thank you so much again to, let me get it's sticking really good. Couldn't get it off. So thank you so much to ToadFish for the gift card, and for Father's Day, and to Newland Communities for having the contest in conjunction with ToadFish, and I'll enjoy that. Oh, one more thing. They also, I think with the purchase of this shirt, part of the purchase of this shirt, I'm not sure about this one, but at least this one and some of the other items, they will replant oyster beds, which if you like oysters is great, because, you know, that's just replenishing the supply. But what that also does is it, you know, oysters are filtering the water. So the more oysters that are out there, you know, the clearer the water can be. So adding additional oyster beds helps with that. I had a little bit left on my gift card, so I was able to, you know, go ahead and give that over as a donation to be able to add some more oyster beds as well. So that's an option you can do on any of a lot of the items have that as an add-on, or you can just, there's a straight item in their shop where you can just add, you know, any amount that you'd like to help replenish oyster beds. And so that's a cool thing to do for Lowcountry waterways, and just waterways in general that have oysters in them, and need replenishing of those resources. So that's what we got. Thank you again to ToadFish and Newland Communities, and for my Father's Day gifts. And they arrived in good shape here, and look forward to using them. So thanks so much. And for the Dads of Adventure side of things, go have an adventure with your family.